Good morning, students. Yesterday we have seen several website concepts. Today again I am going to discuss that chapter only. But today we would like to talk about web server. Please give the heading web server. Web server. Last day what we have seen, just I am talking about revising. We have seen what are the different components of a good website, need of website, the website structure, how it works, some examples of website, web pages. We have seen the basic difference between web pages and website. Then we have seen static web page and dynamic web page and the difference between these two. I have given you, these are the very important portion of your syllabus. This will come to your examination. Today I am going to discuss web servers. Please give the heading web server. Web server is a computer where the web content is stored. It's a large computer, its configuration is somehow larger to the rest of the computers, okay, because all the web contents are going to be stored over here. So please note down the basic definition of web server. Web server is a computer where the web contents are stored. It is used to host the websites and deliver the resources. It is used to host the websites and deliver the resources. Please note down the diagram of web server. See, whenever HTTP request is coming from the web browser, it is served by the web server and HTTP response will be given back to the web browser. So actually web server will be providing all the services to the web browser that web browser is requesting. Okay, now see what are the different features of web server. Give the heading features of web server. Secure, fast, high bandwidth, able to mitigate bandwidth congestion, maximum uptime, supports server-side scripting languages, easy user interface, and virtual hosting. These are few features of a good web server. Now we would like to discuss the functions of a web server. Please give the heading functions of a web server. The functionalities are stores and secures website data, provides web database access, serve the end user requests, bandwidth controlling to regulate network traffic, virtual hosting, and server-side web scripting. These are the functionalities of jobs that are to be performed by a web server. Okay, please note down few examples of web server. These are very important web servers available in the market. Note down Apache's web server, very much functional today itself. Since 1996 it is functioning. Apache web server. Next is Internet Information Services by Microsoft, IIS server. Next is NGINX. Next is NGINX. It is used for large traffic. Next is Apache Tomcat. It is developed by Sun Microsystem. Then light HTTPD uses very low memory. For small web hosting projects it is used. So these are the few examples of web servers available till date. Apache's web server, IIS, NGINX, Apache's Tomcat, Light HTTPD, etc. These are few examples of web server. Now let us see what do you mean by web hosting. Okay, please give the heading web hosting. Means if you want to create your own website and want creation, you can design a website by means of any HTML languages that I have told you, but you have to host that so that everybody can see this. Okay, for example, our Vidyalay's website. So for this we have to host that in some other website. Okay, so let us see what is the concept of web hosting. Note down, web hosting is the place where all the files of your website lives. Web hosting is the place where all the files of your website lives. To host a website you require domain name. Okay, actually a domain name is the address and web hosting is the actual house where the address points to. So all the websites on the internet need web hosting. Okay, so this is web hosting. Let us see what are the different types of web hosting available in the market. Please note down the first one, shared hosting. Shared hosting. VPS, virtual private server hosting. Number 3, dedicated hosting. Number 4, cloud hosting. And number 5, reseller hosting or WordPress hosting. So shared hosting is shared by multiple domains or websites. VPS or virtual private server hosting is the main server which is split into several multiple virtual servers. In dedicated hosting, a dedicated server is there for complete technical control over the server settings. Cloud hosting is something multiple remote servers are there and you have to pay for that. Reseller hosting and WordPress hosting are also some specific type of hostings famous nowadays. Okay, so this is about website concepts. Okay, stay safe in your house and be careful. Thank you very much.